Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Tagro Farms. All right, we are back again in this very segment. Of course, in today's episode we shall be looking at weeding, the essential part of weeding. Why should we carry out weeding in our either banana or plantain farm? If you look closely, you will see that we've started weeding for the second time this planting season. So today we're going to be looking at the essential or the reason why we weed. Number one, the first reason why you should carry out weeding is to actually enable your banana plants not just utilize the essential nutrients available in the soil and their surroundings. If you must know, plantain and banana, they are top feeders, and all the nutrients which they require to actually grow can be found on the top layer of this very soil. So their roots are constantly looking out for the nutrient at the top layer of the soil which they require to grow. And once they continue to compete with the weeds, these are the unwanted grass which we've cut down, the moment they continue to compete, thereby limiting what they need. In that case, the weeds are taking part of what they need and they're sharing and competing with them. So that's the number one reason, and you don't want that for your plantain. Hello guys, welcome you back to Stagro Farms. Of course, today we're going to transplant some of our suckers. I'm going to walk you through all the process, how you can actually identify the sucker to transplant and how to maintain a balance of how many suckers per banana plant. So right now we're going to transplant this guy. If you look closely, you will see that we have two emerging suckers, 1 and 2, but we're going to leave only one sucker. Like I said, it's always good to leave one sucker per plant, just like we have here. We're also going to remove this one, but not now. Follow us through. Very important, you know this. When you're making your transplant, make sure you don't cut off the roots. These roots are very important. They are the ones that are actually going to start up new life for these banana suckers. So make sure the roots are just intact. All right, so we're going to put this one here. Remember to cover very well. And then cover back these leaves. Remember to mulch. This mulching is already put. It's very important to identify your sod suckers and your water suckers. The sod suckers are best for your farm. These are the best form of suckers or shoots emerging from your farm. Always make use of them. Why? The reason is that they're going to give you the best yield. They're the best form of suckers to actually utilize in your farm. They'll give you the best yield. They'll give you, they grow faster. They actually grow very fast. But water suckers are always retarded. They don't grow fast and they don't make the best production. So but your sod suckers, they make the best production. They give you the best yield. They grow very fast. That's it. So always go for sod suckers. So we're going to go ahead and then do our transplant. Watch me closely, you will see how I'm placing my shovel. So whatever tool you are using, always place your shovel very smartly. So if you look closely, you see the way I'm placing, in order not to injure the mother plant and also not to damage the sucker. So this is it. See, the roots are intact. Remember to cover. So guys, on a quick one, you must know this. Some of your bananas are going to start production in different timeline. 8 months, some are going to start 10 months, some 12 months. So of course the first banana that actually started fruiting in this farm started at 7th month. Some came out 11 months. So we have majority that are actually fruiting at the 12th month. So these are some of the things that actually help you to study your farm, know when the production line, how long it takes to actually mature. Of course, you know, a banana plant that is already fruiting, it takes about 3 months for the banana fruit to mature. So these are some of the things you're going to study with your farm, know when the production comes in, and then know when to harvest. So always leave a mark, like a date, on the body of the banana plant to actually know the date of harvest. So if your banana pod is actually shooting out, you saw it today and it's coming out, what you're going to do is to mark on it. If you saw it on the 10th of June 2024, please mark 10th of June 2024 on the body, then give it 3 months. Study the growth, the maturity, and then know when to harvest. So these are some of the things you have to know. So let's go back to our banana sucker transplant. Okay guys, right now what we're going to do is to actually get rid of this and make a hole. Take note, when you're making your hole for your banana plant, ensure the depth and the width. Make sure that you have about 3 feet in terms of wideness, how wide it's going to be, and then the depth at least 1 foot. This will help the banana root development, water absorption. So take note, it's going to help it balance and settle in a pretty time. So guys, if you look behind me, you will observe that this section of our farm is not doing pretty well in terms of their growth. So if you observe very well, you see that their growth is quite retarded. So we're going to get rid of them and make full transplant. We're going to reserve the ones that are doing well, then the ones that are not doing well, we're going to get rid of them. So that's what we're going to do. So if you observe, you see that we don't have a uniform growth in our farm. Some are way bigger than the others. So we're going to get the ones that are retarded in terms of growth and then replace them. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. So hit the notification bell so that each time we make a video post, you will also be the first to see, like and share. This is our organic manure. So it's quite unfortunate that they are all growing weeds, but we're going to get rid of them like we did the other time and then get our manure. So before you actually transplant, make sure you apply your organic manure. This is cow dung manure. We're going to apply them at the base of the transplanting hole, after which we'll put our banana, then cover. We're going to apply at the base before we plant. So when you apply, after applying the organic manure, remember to mix with the soil, mix very well before you plant. Okay guys, now let me show you how you can actually identify when your banana starts fruiting, or when your banana is ready to start fruiting. Look up there, you will see a very short leaf, shorter than the rest of it. You can see how long this is, you can see how long this one is, you can actually see how long these ones are, you can see how short this one is, quite short, shorter than the rest of them. So the moment you see your banana leaf coming out short in this form, know that fruiting is about to begin. I will also give you another example. Also look at this one. You can see the leaf is very short. The emerging leaf is coming out short. You can see these ones are long, these ones are long, but this one is short. You can see already fruiting. This one is already fruiting. If you look in there, you will see a very short leaf in there. So that's the moment your banana starts fruiting. The moment this short leaf emerges, the next in line is the banana pod, which you are seeing here, will actually emerge. Let me also show you another one. Okay, this one is quite significant. You can hopefully understand what I'm talking about here. So look at this. Can you see that very short leaf? And let me come this angle so you see it from this angle. Okay, can you see the short leaf? Can you see the short leaf? Yes. So the moment you see this short leaf emerging, know that fruiting is about to start. Yes, fruiting is about to commence here. Yes.